Hello my friend, now I'm filming the operation video. The first step, let worker to fit the cup into this place. Add the lead in this place. Remember, the printing side is on the down. Make the lead nice and flat, place in there. And then open the power. Open the power. Second is open the temperature control. Now I will teach you how to set the temperature. Press this part. You can see there's the temperature we already set. Down, up, 200 degrees, and after your setting finish, set back. Okay. Every time you start the machine, you need to wait the temperature control to when the temperature comes to the setting. $200, it was heating. When the temperature all ready, now we can touch the screen, get into the control panel. In the beginning, and all the function is off. When we want to start the machine, we need to make sure this is on the automatic model and start the machine. Stepping, start. Okay, just moving. So first is cup dropping. Open. Here is the cup washing. When the cup step to here, already step in there, we open the washing. Washing is here. Here's the air dry. Here's the air dry. Open the air dry. You can see it was already work. You can open the UV light anytime you want. Anytime you want. UV light. top is step forward. When top step into this filling one, we just open the filling one function. It's moving. To open the open. Filling one open. Filling one open. When you step to the filling two, open the filling two. Need to watch out when the cup into the film plate position. Okay, turn off. When cup step into the filling one, now filling one is off. Okay, open filling one. Open filling one. Open filling two. So I turn off late. When the top already into this step, this output step, we need to turn off the output. If there is a cup stock, we can just like this to pull out the top and see where's the problem. When you turn off the machine, you need to turn off the drop-in, turn off the washing, turn off the air dry, turn off the filling, turn off the filling tube, turn off the UV line. If there's no cup, you can see there's no cup. We turn off the film glazing. And when the all cup is ready, is finished, okay, we turn off the ceiling one. Ceiling one turn off. When this ceiling two finish, we turn off the ceiling two. Okay, there's no cup. We can turn off the cup output. Okay. And after we turn off the stepping. Okay, machine is shut down. And when you finish your production, you need to turn off the air, temperature control. Turn off, turn off, turn off. And you can see here's how many you product this time. and press here. You can change your language. Oh, the language is not in the program now, but no problem. We will write the Arabic language into this, and later turn off the power. Shut down. Okay. Finish.